Hi guys. I'm gonna be brutally honest with y'all for a second. I started making videos and calling women out on the error of their ways in 2015 before it was popular to do so. Because I, as a woman, understand what men can go through when dealing with women. The main women who yell that other women that understand the plight of men are pick me's are the main ones not getting picked by any damn body. And that's their problem. See, it's an ego thing. When you hear me giving advice and telling you the error of your ways and what you could possibly be doing wrong, you feel like, how dare she? Who the hell does she think she is? When you know most of what I'm saying is true, but you're too egotistical to admit it. You feel personally attacked because a hit dog will holler. See, women who are truly happy in their life and their relationships don't have time to be concerned with what other women are doing because they're focused on their own home and relationship. They don't have the time to be petty, bitter, or envious of other women because they're confident enough in themselves to not even let certain things get to them. But there are a ton of women who think that if you don't blindly follow their narrative, that everything they say is right and anything a man says is wrong, that makes you a pick me. How about we're just mature enough to not equate all men to being some lesser gender to women? How about we're not enslaved to some baggage from a past relationship? How about we're not going to play victim to our own circumstances, a lot of which are self-inflicted? How about we're women enough who can appreciate and understand that men too have emotions and deserve the same empathy women get? Because contrary to popular belief, men are human too. I know, crazy, right? It's not about being a pick-me. It's about being a real woman who doesn't conform to the idea that men are here to serve women and being responsible enough to say that women have a lot of effed up ways about them. Y'all sound so stupid. Every single time your first reaction is to call a woman a pick me for not jumping on your lonely ass bandwagon to emasculate and belittle all men. And then when men stop giving a damn about you and start treating you any kind of way, you cry victim when you had zero intention of or even trying to understand his side and what he goes through as a man. Being a woman doesn't mean you're automatically some superior gender. We all have our flaws, our faults, our wrongs, but also moments when we're right and deserve to be heard and given that respect. When real women value real men, that should be appreciated and shown love and respect when it's due. That same respect should also be given when letting another woman know when she's on bullshit and needs to do better. If me letting other women know when they're wrong makes me a pick me, then hell, I'll be that all day because I sure as hell don't want to be one of these women that are on a sole mission to bash and degrade men. That could never be me. And you shouldn't want it to be you either. So before you decide to call another woman a pick me, ask yourself who the hell is picking you?